friends, it is almost that time, the new year that is. Come along with me as I spruce up my planning system so that I can be prepared to get 2023 off to a great start. Stay tuned. Okay, I am ready to get 2023 going. I don't want to wait till the last days of December to get my planner started. So what I use is a 6-ring binder, and I like this. It's just a personal preference, and my binder that I use is a black faux leather quilted binder. It's a Chanel dupe. I absolutely love it. I need to give it a cleanse, and then I will be ready to take the pages out and get it going. So I need to make a few notes before I start planning. So I use my spiral planner or notebook to jot down what has worked for me in the past year and what I want to tweak, the pages that I want to take away or add. I just jot down those things right in this notebook right here, and I keep it with me. And I also like to make note of goals for the year, things I want to manifest, and some other things that I want to keep with me when I'm doing my daily and weekly planning. And here is my favorite pen. It's an Energel pen by Pentel. It's a 0.7 needle point. It's not scratchy. It's almost gives you that rollerball feel, but it's not too fine and scratchy. So once I have these tools in place, I am ready to get going. So the reason I wanted to do this video for you is because we are getting ready to go into a brand new year. And I don't know if this resonates with you, but this is a fresh start, and I want us to look at it like that. And there are times where you can sit by yourself, or you can just be in the throes of busyness, and you're thinking of things that you want to do, that you want to accomplish, that you could have accomplished only if you would have been a little bit more focused. This is what planning does for me. I am able to do a self look. I'm able to look at myself and look at the things that I want to accomplish, the things that I want to do, whether it is dealing with personal life, travel, family, finance, career, all of that. And when you just think these thoughts in your head, it can be overwhelming. But to sit down and download all of those things into categories and create your goals, because they're within you, and know where you want to go. This truly helps you. You don't have to have 10 to 100 goals to be accomplished. You may have 1 or 2 things that you want to do for the upcoming year, and setting your plans in place really helps. After looking at what I used for this year, I went through my planner to see what worked, what I wanted to tweak for the new year, and I made this list of things that I wanted to go inside of it. I needed a year at a glance. I needed to definitely update that. My month at a glance pages, and a holidays sheet so that I can keep track of what holidays they are. I rarely even looked at this last year, but I guess I keep it in there just in case I want to do some content planning and get more consistent about that for the upcoming year. I have my quarterly planning sheets that I want to keep in there. They worked pretty good. So when you see them crossed off, that's because I already have them inserted in the planner. I want to do a half-page to-do list right now. Let me see if I can. I have this in the back of my planner, which works pretty good. So the reason I didn't go ahead and make those inserts for the planner is because I'm contemplating if I'm going to use, I may use this instead of having the sheets. But what stood out to me, like for the week, and I'll show you my pages in a little bit, I could have like my running to-do list inside the week that I'm going to be planning. My goals and affirmations, my manifestations, what I plan to manifest for 2023. I like to have those in my planner so that I can review those on a daily basis, and also my goals for the year. So I need to work on these, and I plan to work on these before the new year. My planner is not done, but I wanted to give myself more time to work on it. I use this, and I don't know what this residue is on it, so I'm going to have to go and give this a good clean. If that's bothering me, just give it a good wipe down inside and out. But I wanted to go ahead and start pre-fitting my sheets in. So my planner is a black quilted faux leather planner. It is a Chanel dupe. I love the quilted pattern, and I found this cutie pie on AliExpress. And this is my second time purchasing this planner. So on the inside of the planner, I have these pockets, and I have already gone through and cleaned out things that, like old appointment cards, old notes that I would not need to keep. In this little section, I like to display my my year's word of the year or thought for the year. So I am going to work on that, get that printed and put in here. I use these little pockets for, like I said, stickers or appointment cards. These little sections, I have these just in case I want to just decorate my planner with those. They stay in here, and I keep a bookmark, so I'm gonna keep that one in there. And I just have this oversized large I don't even know what to call it, y'all, but it's my logo, and I just have it oversized in here. Let's see. This is an image that I just created in Canva, cut it, I laminated it, and I added holes here just to give it some jazz. This is from an old note card that I had, and I really do love this. This is the art designed by Timmery. Love the artwork. Wish I can get more note cards like that. And here is the year at a glance. And all I did was just use the year at a glance in my iPhone. I screenshotted it, uploaded it in Canva, and added the design to it. Something very simple. So I have 2023 on one side, 2024 on the other side, and my manifesto, if you will. I keep this. I look at it often and see if I need to, or if I want to update it, but I really like it. So that's the first thing that you see in my planner. And then I have the dividers for the month, and I'll just go through January. And one other thing that, and I'll just go through this, and I'll tell you what I'm missing. So I start off the quarters with a quarterly planning sheet here, and you're going to hear my daughter and her friends on the phone. So on the front, it's the quarterly plan, and then just I added some lines to the back just in case I needed to make some notes on actions that need to take place. And then, like my old sheets, I had a monthly goals and affirmations that I would fill in, but I'm going to try something different this time with the month's goals for the entire month. So this is from week 1 to 4 or 5, and then the top goals for the month, and then any notes. So if I want to add something different, you know, I'll just see what works, what doesn't work. and then I open it up and there will be a month at a glance. And that's that. Easy for me to fill in. I love having these lines on the side because I can use this for lists. I can use it for goals for the weeks or top 3s for the weeks. See how I have that lined out just to keep me, you know, me knowing where I am. So I do like that. That's my intention for these lines. And I can make the month plain or decorative. And then on the back of that, I have just lines. Normally it would say month's priorities, but I don't know how. I want to be flexible pretty much. So my intention is to keep this as a month's task list or the month's priorities, but I didn't want to give it a pre-printed label just in case I wanted to change it up. And then for the week views, and these were inserts that I just designed and created myself for me. They are nowhere to be found. But I'm trying these boxes because I used the same layout all last year. It worked, but I just wanted to give myself something different to look at. So I have these boxes here, and with an open space on the side. I like to use stickers, and I am going to try my best to continue that throughout the year. So I could use stickers here. I can use this portion for notes if I wanted to add a picture or anything. Again, I'm trying to go with flexibility. So I do have my top 3 listed, and that's 1 week, and then I'm going to try alternating the week layouts just to keep it, you know, a little fun. So this is the next layout in the planner with the vertical boxes. And again, I'm going to keep my top 3. I thrive off of using my top 3 focuses for the day. And then if I don't have anything going on, which that's a joke, you know, I always have something going on, I can use this for, you know, again, stickers or just putting my to-do list. I'm going with flexibility this upcoming year, y'all. So those are the majority of the pages. And of course, throughout some of the months, I have a different dashboard just to spruce it up a little bit. This section is going to be mostly for my visions and affirmations and things like that. So I have this here. I need to label it some kind of way so that I'll know when I need to go in or when I want to go in and look at my script, you know, a daily script. And I'll talk about that later in an upcoming video. If you want me to, just let me know. But my script, affirmations, goal planning, my vision board, no, it really won't go back here. But these are, you know, when I want to keep track of things and keep my eye on the prize, I have some pre-printed sheets in here that I go to. But I like to keep my vision board near the front. So when I'm getting ready to get in my planner, or I just need some uplifting thoughts and I'm trying to be positive, I like to have it up here. So, but that's how it was last year. I may keep it in my little vision area back here. That's something that I need to work through. But I will create my vision board once I sit down and truly focus on my goals, and my affirmations will come from my goals that I set. And then what I plan to manifest, I like to have that looking a certain way. And these are my cards from 2022. So this little card was in the front of my planner, and then I just have my manifestations here. And you know, just like to go through it so when my mind starts to wander and think, start to think negative, you know, I like to pull from what I have already planned and go to that for a source of inspiration. And that is it. The planner is not complete, but I think that I'm in a good place. Normally, I would wait till the very last minute to do my planner. All right, friends, this video is all about me getting my planner started and going before the new year hits. And I hope that you like it. You don't have to, you know, if you're thinking about planning or you've already in the planner world, you don't have to do anything like this. You can get one off of the shelf and get right to it. I also have to show you these 2 sticker books that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They're from the Happy Planner. I am excited about using these. It didn't even focus. It didn't dawn on me that I was picking up pink and green. If you know, you know. But I just wanted to document me getting my planner started, and once it gets finished, I will come back in and record that and let you know how it turned out. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button and let me know if you have already gotten your planner going. I know we're in the throes of a busy holiday season, but you know, the new year will be here before we know it. All right, friends, talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.